This video introduces subject headings in databases and how to use subject headings to find more relevant search results. A subject heading is a specific word or phrase used to organize materials by topic. Subject headings searches help find relevant sources more quickly. Subject headings have many names. They may be called descriptors, thesaurus terms, identifiers, index terms, subjects, and more in different databases. Subject headings are specific terms assigned to a subject by an organization. Keywords are natural words or phrases created by authors. Some databases offer both subject headings, supplied by a database, and keywords, supplied by authors. Let's take a look at this article available in two databases. In Academic Search Premier, subject headings are called subject terms. In Bibliography of Asian Studies, they are called subject indexing. There are two ways to find subject headings in databases. For example, we're looking for articles about social media in the Academic Search Premier database. Type social media in the search box and click Search. Then, go to the left-hand panel, scroll down, and click Subject Thesaurus Terms to find a variety of subject headings. You can also click the title of a relevant article to find hyperlinked subject headings. When you open the link for a subject term, you will find relevant resources labeled with the same subject heading by this database. It's often best to start searches in databases with keywords. Then use subject headings to narrow or broaden your search results. You can also search with subject headings and keywords to get the best search results. Most East Asian language databases do not offer subject heading search functionality. Some databases may have the English language term subjects, but they are not subject headings as discussed above. Now, let's review what we've learned. Subject headings are great for finding more relevant results in database searches. Different databases refer to subject headings differently. Start your search with keywords and then apply subject headings to get more relevant search results. Subject headings are different from keywords. Subject headings are assigned by an organization. Keywords are provided by authors. Subject headings need to be the exact words or phrases. Keywords are natural language terms, and you need to think of all synonyms, spelling variations, and so forth. Subject heading searches search only the subject heading field in a record. Keywords search everywhere in a record. Subject heading searches produce more relevant results. Keyword searches include many irrelevant results. Searching is not like doing a math calculation. There is no one right answer. A variety of subject headings and keywords can lead you to useful library resources, so be creative and don't give up. Please click the exercise link in the description box to test your learning. Answers are provided after you complete the exercise. If you have any questions, please ask your librarian.